Hello, explorer. You know what I love about autumn? It's like the whole world decides to put on the most amazing fancy dress party ever. Every single tree turns into something magical. Golden crowns, copper cloaks, and red dancing skirts that rustle and whisper as you walk by. And the sounds! Every step you take goes crunch, 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 like you're walking on the world's crispiest carpet. Plus, there's this lovely smell, all earthy and sweet, like someone's having the best bonfire party in the forest. I was wandering through my favourite autumn wood the other day when I bumped into my friend Mick. He's this brilliant lad from Ireland, and he was jumping about and catching leaves as they fell down around him. "Una!" he called out. "You've got to try this! Back home in Ireland, we have the most wonderful thing we do with falling leaves." "What sort of thing?" I asked, watching him reach for a pretty golden leaf that was dancing on the breeze. "Well," Mick said, his eyes twinkling, "in my village, we believe that autumn leaves carry luck. If you can catch one before it touches the ground, really catch it while it's still in the air, that leaf holds a wish." Mick told me this has been happening for ages and ages in Ireland. Picture those rolling green hills covered in old oak trees, with branches full of leaves turning every shade of gold you can think of. Long, long ago, Irish children found out something wonderful. When autumn leaves fell, they didn't just fall. They danced. They twisted and spun and took their time, like they were giving you a proper chance to reach up and catch a bit of magic floating down. "My gran always told me," Mick said, still jumping for leaves, "that if you catch 12 leaves in autumn, one for each month, you'll have 12 months of good luck. But even one leaf brings good things, as long as you catch it with a happy heart and make a real wish." I watched Mick show me how, and wow! It was like watching someone dance with the wind. He'd see a leaf starting to fall, figure out where it was going, then gently reach out and catch it, like he was collecting golden coins floating through the air. "The trick," he said, showing me a perfect leaf shaped like a tiny hand, "is to be patient but ready. You can't make it happen. You have to let the leaf choose you, too." So we spent the whole afternoon catching leaves together. And you know what? There's something absolutely magical about reaching up and catching something that's falling. It makes you feel like you're part of nature's dance, like you're catching tiny pieces of autumn itself. Mick caught 13 leaves that day. He gave me one, a beautiful copper-coloured one that looked like fairies had painted it. "Make a wish, Una," he said with a big smile. And I did. I wished for more friends like Mick, more autumn adventures, and more chances to catch magic when it's falling all around us. The best thing about this is that it teaches you to look up, to notice when something lovely is happening right above your head, and reach out for it, instead of just watching it float away. Have you ever tried catching falling leaves? Next time you see one dancing down from a tree, maybe give it a go. You might just catch yourself a little bit of Irish luck. And remember, the best wishes don't have to be huge. Sometimes they're as simple as hoping for one more perfect autumn day, or finding the crunchiest pile of leaves to jump in. Have fun, leaf catchers, and keep your eyes on the trees.